Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So guys, today I'm going to do a review and a flip through of the Odd Giraffe Planner 2022. I got this a while back and I'm going to use it in this year. I'm also going to use a few more planners that I'm going to talk about in my other video. For now, let's start the review. So first thing that I got along with the planner was a thank you note, which I think is very thoughtful. I'll just open and show it to you. You can read it here. Okay, another thing that I got with it was a postcard. Write a letter to your future self, pop it in the mail, or have a friend do it for a little reminder when it comes back to you. So you can do it now, or you can do it, a year later, whenever you want to. So I think that's very nice. And I got another big sticker pack. I'll open and show it to you. So this you can use on your notebook or laptop or any folder or anywhere you feel like. It says mental vacation. You can even use it in your planner. You can use it anywhere you feel like. It will stick anywhere, and it's also removable, so you can remove it later on if you want to put it anywhere else. And this is the pack of stickers that I got with the planner. They're pretty big stickers, though I prefer like smaller ones, but then these can be used on your laptop, folders, notebooks, and these are removable, so I think that's nice. Not too many, but yeah, like decent enough. And this is the planner that I got, which says you have got this. And first I want to tell you that when I got this, there was an issue with the binding, so I exchanged it, and they quickly sent me another piece. And I also got extra set of stickers when they sent me replacement, though the stickers are not of, like, they look pretty old, so it was probably just added to the order, but nevertheless that's fine, I guess. If you see, there's some issue there, but that's fine. I think it'll work for me. It's free, so I can make use of it. But yes, there is slight dots and everything, and that's fine. I'm sure you can see it. Anyway, that's fine, that's okay. I don't mind it so much because it's an extra one. So let's start with the planner. So I was interested in getting this planner because the illustration is done by women artists from all over the world. So I really wanted to check it out and add it to my planner liner for this year. Plus it's pretty handy, it's small, so I think it really works nice. For me, I can keep it anywhere, and then I can use it anytime I want to, even if I'm not using my other planners. It's a small planner, so I can quickly use it whenever I want to. Even if I'm going out, I can carry it. So that's was my main aim. So let's start with the flip through quickly. So it says the planner belongs to, you can write down your name and address and whatever you wish to. The theme of the year is optimism. It should always be like that every year. Meet the artists. So they've named the artists जिनके illustrations हैं इसमें. They are, it says it has 10 plus female artists from all over the world. So that's great. I really wanted to try it out for that purpose. Okay, they have more stickers inside. So you can use it in your planner. Some are like the one that I got in the pack. They are similar to those, and it has say it with stickers. This same layout was in my Artloom planner as well. So you have to put your stickers and talk about yourself here. Then the calendar for this year and the coming year. Write down some reasons to party. So basically you add here, you can add anniversaries and birthdays, or any important occasions, parties, or whatever you're going to hold this year. So I really like that thing. It's a very, very pretty, pop color, I love it. Holidays, they've marked all the holidays. Again, not the regular holidays. They have those April Fool's Day, Easter, Valentine's Day. Pongal is also there, but I feel they've missed out on a few holidays. But yeah, we'll see as the year goes by. There are a lot of holidays, so maybe I'm just overthinking. Okay, so the next thing that they have is journaling prompts. What's one thing you want to let go of this year? Write down one victory from last year. Share an example of being kind to yourself recently. Jot down 3 things you're grateful for. In one word, describe how putting pen to paper makes you feel. After everything you've learned in the last year, what piece of advice would you give yourself? I think that's great. You'll sit and ponder over your goals and what you did last year and what went wrong, what went right. I think it's great for self-reflection as well. What are you looking forward to in 2022? A lot of space. This is a space for free thinking, so you can brain dump as well here. Nice space. Okay, so we start with the illustrations now from January, and this is the ribbon bookmark that they have added, which I love. Also, they have these tabs. Again, I am really fond of tabs in planners. It really helps me, go through every month, and I can look back and check out. So I think that's great. Okay, so this is your first illustration. It's so refreshing. It also says fresh new beginnings. I love the illustration going on here. Then they have your notes section here, plus it has holidays going on here. They've mentioned the holidays, and they have small boxes where you can jot down your important events, whatever you're looking forward to in the coming month. Then they have 2 notes pages. That's great. I always look forward to notes pages. Then goals. So 3 things you're grateful for. So if you're looking into gratitude and prompts, and also this is going to help you here. Skills I'm practicing, books I'm reading, goals for the month, brain dump, habit trackers, very straightforward, simple habit trackers. Then you have ample space for your weekly, in your weekly layout. You can write a lot of stuff. You can jot down your notes, your goals, your to-do lists. You can decorate whatever you wish to. And then it has a prompt here which says support a cause you are passionate about. That's great, I guess. And here in the next page it says you're worth celebrating every day. I love the quotes that they've added. The more you read the quotes, the more you read the affirmations, it definitely helps in your mental health. It makes you more productive, also makes you feel good about yourself. So that's great. Reach out to someone who inspires you. Okay, so they have these kind of prompts in every page. Leave an encouraging note for someone to find. That's great. Okay, so basically it's a weekly thing going on. Okay, so they have a notes page again. Then they have reflections at the end of the month. Note doodle, what's the focus for the month go? How the focus for the month go, sorry. What worked, what didn't work, my favorite part of the month. And then they have the February illustration here, which is very, very pretty. Today is the right day to love. Yeah, Valentine's Day coming. Okay. So it's a very handy, small planner, which I absolutely love. It's easy to carry. So obviously the monthly layouts are same. So I'm going to show you all the illustration March. It's so beautiful. I basically bought for the illustrations only, to be honest, and I'm so impressed. Sisterhood is powerful. It's so colorful, so pleasing to the eye. May, things you shouldn't apologize for. I'll just read out few things. Saying no, failure, taking a break, going to therapy, past mistakes, bad days. Love this. Okay, 1st May is your World Laughter Day and Labor Day as well. Let's see the June illustration. Very pretty. Gives me that Goa feel when I look at it. Another one. Just happy to be here. So cute this is. All smileys, and it made me smile as well. Beautiful illustration. Go where you feel most alive. This is so true. We tend to cling on to toxic situations and people and things. So this just makes me feel so good. Another one, take break September, holiday mode. I love this. Okay, so let's see the October one, collective power. Very pretty. The thoughts behind these illustrations, I'm sure, you know, they mean much more than what we see, what meets the eye. November, it's so pretty. Then we have the December, celebrations and cakes and wine and whatnot. I love this. So this brings us to the end of the planner. So I'm going to see what's there at the end. So this is where the, okay, so they have loads of notes pages. I am so in love with this. I look forward to notes pages because there are so many things I want to jot down, and keeping a separate notebook every time, you know, for a planner it's not always very convenient. So I love that they've added the nose pages. In spite of the planner being so small, they've not forgotten the nose pages. So I absolutely love this. Also, they have my favorite back pocket at the end, which is pretty spacious. You can you know, put your important papers or your bills or your stickers. You can, you know, put anything you want to. So I really love this fact that they've added this. It says you are all the good things. So this was our planner. I think this is a very nice planner. I got it during the sale, and I got it for, I think, under 1200, though it's, I think, for 15 or 1600 rupees, but I got it in a sale and I think it was absolutely worth it. I'm very happy with the planner. So I'm going to use it for I'm going to talk about it, what I'm going to use it for, in my next video. But this is for some personal thing, some you know, my personal work, my personal life, that I'm going to use it for. I'm going to plan few things and I'm going to write it here. I'm not going to use it for work or even journaling. I'll tell you what I'll use it for in my next videos. So that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, please write it in the comment box and I'm going to answer there. I'm going to link it down in the description box as well. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Till then, bye for now.